So I know we've talked a lot about price of drones going up, possibly due to tariffs on this channel, but we really haven't had any solid evidence nor admittance from either DJI or other manufacturers that this was actually happening. However, today in a sort of shocking announcement, Autel has sort of, I guess, set the record straight on the tariffs and what they plan to do to it in a very transparent manner. I'm actually gonna read blips of this memo for you in case you were unaware, and if you've been thinking about buying a drone, I'm honestly encouraging you to buy it before October. Stick around. What's good, everybody? My name's Original Dobo, and if this is your first time here on my channel, I do drone and tech related content. So if that's at all interesting, be sure to hit that subscribe button, or at the very least, drop this video a like. So Autel put a article out on their blog post, and it's a little bit hard to find their blog. Like if you go to their main page, I don't know, I had to find it through a tweet that they put out. But anyways, they put out this announcement, and it basically says, to our loyal customers, pilots, creators, and professionals. As you know, last year, the US government imposed a 10% tariff on products being imported from China. As of May 10, 2019, that tariff increased to 25%. A large majority of our products were impacted by these tariffs. So again, just bear in mind, I know a lot of people think, oh my gosh, Autel is an American company, but their products still come from China, just like other American companies like Apple. Their products are imported into the US via Chinese production. Up to this point, they have done everything possible to shield our customers from the effects of these tariffs. So basically, they've probably took on a large burden of the cost and really reduced their margins. Unfortunately, beginning October 1st, 2019, we will be raising the price of some of our products due to the next rollout of tariffs. To offset this, we are testing new ways to bundle items, including exclusive deals to add value instead of increasing the price. So breaking it down for you, they're going to add products on top of products to sort of offset that cost. So if they have something that's not currently affected by a tariff, they may bundle that with another product that is, to increase the tangibility of that product. At least that's the way I'm reading it here. And then it goes on just to say, sincerely, the entire Autel Robotics team. So first off, I'd like to say this is incredibly classy of them to do this, and to do this in a very transparent manner. A lot of times when prices go up, customers don't get the full story. And I know when DJI products go up, a lot of us are left scratching our heads as to why. And the only way you typically find out is if you call and talk to support. They'll typically tell you that it's a tariff. They have a typical talk track, but it looks like they're bracing for more, increases due to imports from China. Obviously, this whole trade deal has just been an absolute disaster for everybody involved, whether you're an American company, a Chinese company, or the consumer. It's just been a really bad deal. I really hope all the way around the board, not just for drones, that this gets worked out, because it's going to increasingly get more expensive, and a lot of these companies are either going to have to bring production over to the US, which honestly, I get it. It costs a lot to produce products here in the US, but they should have had a plan B from the get-go. So that's just my thought on that. I get it. Companies want to save and make the most, but I think it's really great that they did put this announcement out and are being transparent with their client base. And again, if you are somebody who are thinking about buying a drone, whether you're buying Autel, whether you're buying DJI, these tariffs, this next rollout of tariffs, are going to affect all brands that are being imported from China. So I would encourage you, if you're contemplating buying a drone, do it before October 1st. Get that drone that you want. Do it like this month. Speed up that process. If you're thinking about buying somebody something for Christmas, you may want to consider buying it now, because I don't even think with Black Friday deals and things like that, you're going to save as much as you can get one right now. There's a lot of great deals. Most of the drones have been on the market for well over a year, and it's the best time to buy. Obviously, I work very closely with DroneWorks. We have not increased any of our prices across the board, and we still have tax-free. So if that's something that you're interested in, links will be down below. But no matter where you purchase your drone from, definitely do it before these hit so you can get max value. But I just wanted to put this out there. I'll be sure to link this blog down below. This was a really quick and dirty video. Hopefully some resolution comes to front and center on all of this, because it really does suck, and I hope it doesn't cripple the industry as a whole. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Again, if you liked it, definitely drop it a like down below, comment, let me know your thoughts on all this. I love reading and hearing everything from you guys. I try to respond to all the comments all the time. And also, October 19th, Spin Up. I'll have links to that down below. If you're not already registered, I will be out there hanging out, flying. I'm not speaking this year, but I'm going to be flying and enjoying it just the same. So if you want to get some time to fly with all the other creators that are going to be there, make sure you sign up down below. October 19th, prices do go up as it gets closer. And if you didn't already see my community post, I'm throwing a lot out here. I am doing a new thing on Fridays. Every single Friday, I'm going to be taking your flight videos, 5 people's videos, putting it into a compilation, we'll call it, and you're gonna get shout outs with your Instagram handles, YouTube channel, whatever it is that you want shouted out, you'll get full credit, and I will not be monetizing those videos. So if you want to put a song or something in that video, whatever you want to do, as long as it's obviously not like copyrighted music, I don't care, but we're not doing anything for profit on that. That's all so you guys can get shout outs. I don't have a name for that series just yet, and it goes live this Friday, so I'm trying to think of a clever name. If you have one, drop it down below. You're seeing this video on Wednesday, and as always guys, stay original. Never stop dreaming.